Today, I say to you, let us not lose sight of our purpose. Let no child's future be stunted. Let no mother's hope be wasted. Let no purok be left behind.
We believe in community-driven development. We believe in the powers of the local government unit, and we will continue to advocate for programs that listens, that consults, and that puts all your voices on the table.
We in the Department of Interior and Local Government stand firmly behind you. Sama-sama po nating itaguyod ang bagong Pilipinas, isang bansa kung saan ang bawat bata ay may sapat na nutrisyon, ang bawat ina ay may katuwang at ang bawat pamilya ay may pag-asa.
Esteemed mayors and local chief executives, mga makikisig. As the frontline leaders of our local governments, your commitment to nutrition is crucial.
Kayo ho ang rason kung bakit patuloy na umaandar ang PMNP at naniniwala kami ni SecTed na magiging matagumpay ang PMNP dahil sa inyo.
Your leadership and accountability will drive these initiatives forward. Together, let us make a lasting impact on the nutrition and health of our communities.
Our journey is far from over, but by working together, we can leverage resources, share best practices, and ensure that every child, regardless of where they live, has the opportunity to grow up healthy and strong.
Let's continue to forge strong partnerships, our LGUs here, our mayors, and work together in this crucial fight against malnutrition, especially stunting. The DOH, in partnership with DSWD, will be with you every step of the way.
Nutrition is the foundation of everything we want to achieve. A well-nourished child learns better in school. A healthy mother can work and care for her family. A strong, healthy workforce drives our economy forward. So while others may see malnutrition as a burden, we in Kiamba see it as a chance to create lasting change for our families today and for our future generations.
Ang pagbabago ay isang hobby. Hindi ito nagmamadali, ngunit hindi rin ito nagpapahuli. Sa bawat hakbang natin ngayon, sa bawat habi ng inyong liderato, serbisyo at pagtutulungan, tayo ang gumagawa ng ating kasaysayan. Isang kasaysayan kung saan ang bawat anak ng ating bayan ay malusog, malakas at puno ng pag-asa.
Ang kalusugan ay kayang isulong ng matatag at may malasakit na pamumuno. This is the foundation of a nation where no one is hungry and no child is forgotten and every Filipino thrives.
Muli, maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na suporta at dedikasyon sa bawat ina at bata. Sa Alagang Pinas, walang iwanan. Maraming salamat po.
The PNMP National Mayors Forum 2025 stands as a landmark convention of our 235 local government units, all for nutrition, leadership, and governance. But this year's forum proved that things will always have an opportunity to be bigger, better, and Boulder.
Sama-sama tayo sa PMNP sa Habi ng Kinabukasan. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Mabuhay ang PMNP! Mabuhay tayong lahat!